So I had a patient who came into my office today and she said, Dr. Cooper, what's vegan food? During our discussion about healthy lifestyle, she said, what's vegan food? I said, why did you ask? She said, my niece was diagnosed recently and her doctor placed her on a vegan diet. So I want to know what's vegan food. You may be wondering, so what's vegan food? Hi, my name is Dr. Cooper Dockery, board certified in internal medicine, and I love to train and teach patients on how to live a healthier lifestyle. Yes, I am plant-based. I have been plant-based for 15 years. So, what's vegan food? You might be wondering, so what's vegan food? So anything that you consume that does not have animal product, non-dairy, no eggs, no meat, no fish, no chicken, no turkey. All that could be plant-based. That's vegan. But yes, you have healthy vegan foods and you have unhealthy vegan food. So if you were to eat a donut, Dr. Cooper, that could be vegan, yes. You were to drink a bottle of soda that's made with water and sugar, that could be vegan. Yeah. But when we talk about plant-based whole food, we're talking about healthy. But when we're talking about low sugar, low fat, we're talking about unprocessed foods, right? So you're adding all your fruits and your vegetables, your nuts, your grains, and your seeds. That could be healthy plant-based. Of course, I spoke with the patient. I explained to the patient what vegan meals were. And of course, she had a lot of interest. I said, hey, I gave you my cell phone number. Have your niece give me a call and I'll assist her with this vegan food. So if you're listening and you want to change your healthcare destiny, you may be diabetic, you may be overweight, and you want to just go plant-based. It could be plant dominant. That means about 90% plants. I am 100% plant-based, but I know that there are several people out there who have a problem understanding or transitioning to 100% plant-based whole food. So if you have a problem, then ensure that you put more of the good things on your plate. Make sure you're consuming a large amount of vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables, or just about non-starchy vegetables, right? And make sure you're consuming fruits, nuts, seeds, whole grains. And why do you want to consume whole grains, you may be wondering? What are whole grains? So brown rice, black rice, white rice, rye, barley, oatmeal. These grains are not stripped from the fiber. So it's a whole grain. It has all the entire grain. Therefore, you're getting more protein, you're getting more nutrients, more fiber, more iron, more copper, all the micronutrients you're getting, and not only carbohydrate. So if you want to learn more about what healthy vegan food look like, what plant-based meals or food look like, then follow me for more. I am an expert on plant-based whole foods, so follow me for more.